His favorite role was Tevye, not in Fiddler, but in the original Tevye and His Daughters. Again, the English version, the Arnold Pearl translation. And I have to say he was extraordinary. And it's not just because he was my dad, because I was often critical of his work, but he understood that character in a really profound way. And I remember that when he took the role, he was concerned about could he learn all of the lines, because it's a big, massive chunk of text to learn. And our summer vacation that year was going to open in the fall, and he got the script before the summer even started, and started learning the lines over the whole summer. And we, would take, people would be around the pool, and there would be my dad with his script learning it.